Have you ever wondered if Google Play Store is tracking what you do? Every app you download, every app you use, and even what you like can be used to personalize ads and recommendations. But there is a hidden settings that many people don't know about. In this video, I will show you how to turn it off in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. Now, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Settings. But before we change anything, let's make sure your Play Store is updated. Tap About, then tap Update Play Store. If there is an update, then install it. Keeping your Play Store updated helps improve security. But after an update, some privacy settings may turn back on, so it's always a good idea to check them. Now go back, tap General, then look for personalization in Play. Check if it's turned on. If it ticks, don't turn it off just yet. First, check other Play personalization options. The first setting is information about your devices. Open it and turn it off. This stops Google Play from using information from your devices linked to your Google account to personalize your experience. Now go back. Now tap Play History. Here you see a list of apps connected to your account. Google can use this app to personalize recommendation and other content. If you don't want that, go through the list and turn them off one by one. It only takes a few minutes. When an app is turned off, it will no longer be used for personalization. If you want the best privacy, turn them all off. Let me know in the comments how many apps were on your list. Mine have over 120 apps. Once you're done, go back. Now return to personalization in Play. Turn this setting off. Then confirm by tapping Turn Off. That's it. You've now disabled this Play Store personalization settings. This may reduce personalized ads and limit how Google Play uses your app activity for recommendations. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more simple Android tips and privacy guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.